पिछले दिनों इस शनिवार को हिलसाइड एवेन्यू पर कोशी थॉमस ने आयोजन किया एक इंटरफेथ प्रेयर मीटिंग का, जिसमें सम्मिलित हुए सभी धर्मों के धर्मावलंबी और प्रार्थना की कि भारत इस चुनौती से जल्द उबर पाए। प्रस्तुत है उस आयोजन पर ये रिपोर्ट। Namaskar, I'm Ashok Vyas, and as things are, especially coming from India, COVID situation, prayers also help, and someone who has been active with community on several fronts, Koshi Thomas, while he is in the race, but he felt that it is important to have prayer, interfaith prayer, and send positive message for the well-being of one and all. So, Koshiji, I appreciate this thought, and talk to me how this idea came to you.
You know, humanly, there is only very little possible. Godly, there are so many miracles could happen. So, we were thinking about, we did humanly possible, we did a lot of things. But now, we have to, the only solution or solution we feel now is pray to God, and with His blessings, I think, and we all think, miracles should happen.
We always pray for each and everyone to live the way God likes. Especially in the time of pandemic, COVID-19, we suffer in every level, every nation. So we ask our God to help us and support us and guide us and remove the calamity from us.
Spiritual power is divine, and definitely it helps. And the faith in the spiritual power makes a lot of difference. It enhances your confidence, it reduces the negativity, and it definitely helps.
So, and every time when we have any kind of event, we pray for everybody who are suffering or who are die, and so we are praying for them. And I hope Kuwait is going to be run away from this world, and we are again go back to our main position, and then we start big event, and we can just meet everybody person to person.
Looking at the interfaith prayer and coming with a science background, how do you think about the efficacy of collective positive thought generated to assuage those who are suffering, and especially as we focus on the situation in India, your thoughts on the connectivity of this positive thought current?
Thanks for very good questions. If science doesn't work, then Almighty will help. So we should bring all the forces together, and thanks to Mr. Koshi for organizing this interfaith prayer. So we are not taking any chance. So we are including all the religion, and all the religion tells you the same thing, to live in peace and ask the Almighty to bring us out, bring us all out of this pandemic.
I think one thing that brings us all together, especially in time of this is trauma, distress, grief, is prayer. I don't know everyone's faith, ways of faith or path of faith, but we all believe that there is a power that is in control. And so at this time, I don't know about you, but over the last year, I've felt out of control. As we just keep seeing, like the person that went before me said, every minute someone was passing away. And so as we see this surge coming back into other countries such as India, we have to turn and come together as one people, oneness, no matter what our faith, our choice of faith, and who we're, the way we choose to honor God, we have to do it together.
We all have to pray heartfully that all soul energy is one. Body is different, but with that soul energy, everybody has to pray for each other, from our own personal life to worldwide prayer. And prayer is the best solution. When our efforts goes wrong, Almighty efforts is there for us, and everybody just have to understand this thing. Everybody's faith is different, but I believe it, and I have some experiences, miracles in my life with the prayer, and you always get upgrade soul when you pray.
India is going through such a tough time in terms of handling this resurgence of COVID. People are truly suffering and they are gasping for air. And the facilities are truly overwhelmed by the demand. And the rural areas, the proper help is not even being reached. So it is our responsibility also as global citizens and also people who are connected with India through our ancestry and being in our motherland. We not only have the obligation and responsibility to do something for the country, but also to pray. I'm glad to see that Koshi has convened this time really for us to come together and pray. This pandemic has overwhelmed India. And what we need is a divine intervention. Only God could truly help us to overcome this situation. So I join all of you in exhorting every one of you not only do our very best in helping our motherland, but also to engage in prayer fervently so that our country can be healed. And our Reverend John Thomas Achin is here. Please come, Achin, take a seat here. And as far as the campaign is concerned, I just want to say a few more words. Koshi Thomas has committed himself to run for this particular office. And it is really not an easy decision. Many of us will not easily throw our hat into this ring, because it takes quite a lot of effort, resources, and number of volunteers in order to accomplish the job. And I congratulate him because he really has shown that willingness to come forward and to serve the community. I think we should also pray for him, along with helping him, so that he could really do his very best, because he's a man who has committed himself to the service of this community, and he has proven himself to be a very loyal and hardworking individual who is truly dedicated to help our community. So let us also uphold him, not only in our prayer, but also come forward in helping him to win this district so that he can be an effective councilman in New York City on behalf of all of us.
No, it's a pleasure to have you all here, and I'm also fortunate to join this prayer. Of course, indeed, this is the time we need to pray for all, for your family, plus community, plus country, even worldwide. And I think that is a magic prayer, is the answer to our peace and welfare. We here together with all other religions, and we want to pray in our own religion that we all with you, people who are suffering in India or even America or worldwide. And we wish them the best of the health and best well-being. Thank you.
त्र्यम्बकं यजामहे सुगन्धिं पुष्टिवर्धनम् उर्वारुकमिव बन्धनान् मृत्योर्मोक्षीयमामृतात्। ॐ त्र्यम्बकं यजामहे सुगन्धिं पुष्टिवर्धनम् उर्वारुकमिव बन्धनान् मृत्योर्मोक्षीयमामृतात्। ॐ त्र्यम्बकं यजामहे सुगन्धिं पुष्टिवर्धनम् उर्वारुकमिव बन्धनान् मृत्योर्मोक्षीयमामृता